Hey guys, in today's video we're taking a look into Fry Foundation. Fry is a DEPIN project built on the Algorand network, and they want to be the decentralized network of decentralized networks. You know, in most other DEPIN projects, they only focus on one specific area, for example, air quality or weather data. But with Fry Foundation, they collect all types of data and they sell all types of miners. This video will just be a quick setup of the miner, and at the end I'll tell you about the earnings. I encourage you to take a look into the white paper. I will leave it in the description if you want to learn more about this project before investing. The Fry token is live, and if you want to start earning, all you need to do is buy one of the miners from the website. You can see here they have bandwidth, satellite, decibel, weather, camera, air quality, and they also have some unreleased miners that are coming soon, and some nodes that earn the most, but they only come at the end of the year. If you don't want to buy a miner from Fry, you can also use the BYOD license, where you can use an old computer. At this moment I have two BYOD miners. I have the WeatherXM miner that is dual mining WXM and Fry. I also have the Pebble tracker from IoTex, and that is mining with EnviroBlock and also mining Fry. In the future I will also make a video about those two projects. In this video I'll show you how I set up the Decibel miner, the outdoor version. You can see here the Fry outdoor Decibel miner costs $250. All you need to do is select the plug type. In my case I'll choose the U version. Using a coupon code, you can see here that I get a big discount of 35%, and the price goes down to $162.50, which is much better and makes this one of the cheapest DEPIN miners. You should also know that the microphone is not included with the mini computer, so you need to head over to shop and then buy Fry miner parts, Decibel miner parts. You can see here they sell the outdoor enclosure, and they also sell the microphones. If you prefer, you can also buy a cheaper microphone from AliExpress. Just make sure that the microphone is wind and weatherproof, because in this case I have the outdoor miner. If you have the indoor miner, you can buy a simpler microphone or use one you already have. So you can see here the box of the computer. It's a mini PC with an Intel Core CPU. Your model will probably be different from mine, because Fry ships multiple models. Included in the box there is a user manual. There is also the power plug with an adapter for your country. In my case, I have an adapter for Europe. And in this bag, you have the computer. It's just a generic computer with no logos, similar to something you can find on AliExpress. This device is not modified by Fry. In the label you can see that the computer is equipped with the Intel N3350. It's a very slow CPU with only 2 cores and 2 threads. The max consumption is only 6 watts. So this computer won't use a lot of power, but it will also be quite slow. It only has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. You can see that the computer has no fan, only a big heatsink. The only upgrade you can do is installing an M.2 SSD. To tear down the computer, just remove 4 rubber feet and 5 screws. It's very simple. As I said before, this computer has no fan, so it's completely silent. You have a headphone jack, Ethernet port, HDMI, VGA and 4 USB. After your miner arrives, you will need to do two things. First, you'll need to download the software, and then you'll need to register your miner. So to download the software, you head over to Hardware Miner Resources and choose the download for your specific miner. In my case, it's an outdoor decibel miner. And just press the download button. After the download is complete, just double press the folder, double press the installer. You need to accept with the admin access. Just follow the simple instructions for installation, choose the path for the installation. The software will also install node.js. In my case, I already have it installed, but if you don't have it, you will also get a prompt to accept it. After the installation is complete, it will ask you for your secret phrase. I recommend you to create a new wallet. You can scan this QR code to get the Para wallet. In my opinion, it's the best wallet for Algorand. After you have created your wallet, you will enter your secret seed phrase and press OK. And then the installation will be complete. After the installation is complete, you'll need to register your miner. For that, head over to Hardware Miner Resources and choose the type of miner you have. In my case, it's the outdoor decibel miner. Then in this form, just fill out your name, email, Algorand address and the order number. Upload an image of the miner. After you submit the form, you should get a message like this. It might take up to 7 days to start getting rewards. In my case, it took only 24 hours. The value of Fry went down by a lot recently, but it's still very profitable to run one of these devices. The base rewards for the miners can be found on the white paper. The outdoor decibel miner belongs to the tier 3 and the base rewards are 107 Fry per day. But currently there are two multipliers, 1.5 times multiplier because it's the first year of the Fry Foundation, and it's also a 2x boost because the value of Fry is under 1 cent. So the daily earnings for a single device are 323. That's worth close to 83 cents. And per month, that would be something close to $25. And this project still has a very low market cap, so there is a lot of room to grow. So guys, if you're interested in joining the project, I'll leave a coupon code in the description to get a big discount. So guys, thanks for watching, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and goodbye.